Today I'm going to show you my easy summer makeup look, and the first thing I always do is my SPF. So this is SPF 50. This one is so good for oily skin. Then I always use my matte putty primer from ELF, and I just put this on all the areas where I get super oily during the day, because if you are oily, you know that summer is the worst thing for you. And because you can see that I do have quite a few blemishes, I do use this concealer from KAB Cosmetics. This has some skincare ingredients in there to help with blemishes as well. So I just pat this into my skin, use my finger, and then I always use a skin tint as well. This stuff is so good. This is from Chanel. It's a skin tint. It's very sheer, just gives you a tiny bit of coverage. And then I use my ELF Camo concealer, just conceal under my eyes and everywhere else that I usually would. I do like to have a hydrating concealer when it is summer, because you know it can dry out my skin quite a lot with the heat that we have. I can't do my makeup without doing my powder. So this is a Coty Airspun powder. This stuff is amazing, better than all the high-end stuff, and honestly way better than Laura Mercier. Then I just blend all of this out, because you don't want to have all of the cakiness on your skin. And Chanel bronzer is my ultimate favourite. This stuff I use for underneath my cheekbones, also my forehead, and down the sides of my nose, and also my eyelids, because I like to use this everywhere just to create a really nice natural makeup look. And one of my favourite things to do is highlighter. You guys know that you need to have a little bit of glow even if you are oily. So this stuff is the ELF Megaglo. This is amazing. It's like £4 and it's super highly pigmented, better than the Fenty Beauty ones, and you know, just super affordable. I then tightline my waterline and then use my favourite mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Lift. This stuff makes my eyelashes look so long. I don't have long eyelashes, but this stuff is amazing. And then on days where I have natural eyes, I like to have natural brows as well, using the ELF Wow Brow. This stuff is so good. And then if I can be bothered, I will line my lips using NYX lip liner, but I will always use my KAB Cosmetics Lip Oil. This stuff is absolutely amazing. And then this is a finished look, and it's so easy to do, takes 15 minutes, and I love the way that it looks.